Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Logan here. The last video that we uploaded last week, we did so good at this little pond, we decided to come back today. And today we didn't bring as much stuff with us. Last week Logan missed a couple. Show them, Logan. On this whopper plopper, we found this last year in a little farm pond around the house. And last week it was a bunch of rusty hooks on there, so we replaced it. Let me see it, buddy. And put in some sharp mustad red hooks on there, so he's gonna try it today. We're gonna go for top water today. It's been overcast all day, and I've got a new one that I'm gonna try. This Berkley Spin Bomb 60. We were at Walmart picking up a few odd and ends, and I was like, well, that looks like a pretty interesting bait. I haven't tried it before, so I'm gonna start off trying it. He's gonna try with the whopper plopper. And the last week we were here, I missed a couple on a pad crasher frog, and so
I picked that one out.
You sure did. And I picked up a junior size, so I'm hoping the ones that I missed, if I start out with the little Berkley here, a little Spin Bomb, don't catch anything on it, we're gonna try this frog here. And worst case scenario, we're gonna try top water the majority of the time. And if that fails, we've got our old trusty. He's gonna go back to his Ned rig, and I'll go back to a wacky rig worm. That's my go-to here lately. And with that being said, thanks for watching these videos. If you like this type of content, subscribe, thumbs up, give us a comment down below. And with that being said, let's quit the yapping and get the fishing. Yep. Oh, got him. Yep. Oh, it's a decent one. Yep, first one on the little Berkley deal. Ooh, and he is some kind of hooked. There you go. First one on the, I can't even remember what it's called. That little Berkley top water. Got him. Ooh, doggy, that's a good one. All right, let me see. You gotta let some line out, buddy. There you go. Now reel in a little bit. All right, come here, lift it up. Oh boy, he's kind of foul hooked on the outside here. He won't be, but boy, you got him in the side here too. He flopped around, and oh boy, he's hooked good.
Ooh. Golly, that must have hurt.
Yep, he'll probably be okay.
Hopefully.
There you go. Now Logan's first one on the whopper plopper today. There you go. Good job, buddy. Okay, guys, I've caught one on the little Berkley top water, and I'm just anxious to try to get a frog fish this year. So got a brand new Booyah Pad Crasher Junior, and this is looking awful froggy down here in this area, so I'm gonna put this bad boy on and see if I can't get a frog fish. What color we got here? Leopard frog. And one thing I usually always do with these frogs, these tails are usually too long, and if they're longer than the body, I usually come over and I'm going to trim up the bottom of this just a little bit. Usually take that and then take those scissors and trim these up a little bit shorter. Yeah, it's just something I've always done. I like a little shorter because I have they short strike and they'll strike at those and you kind of miss it. So let's get this bad boy on, see if we can't catch one. You want to try your Ned rig or a wacky rig or something, buddy? Which one do you want to put your Ned rig back on, or do you want to do a whoa!
That fish just jumped up on me.
Holy moly! Bring him back here, buddy.
Okay.
Lean your reel back this way. Come here. Oh, that's a nice one, buddy. Yeah, Logan was just fixing to try something else, and then he caught one again, another one.
I was just like jumping it, and it just jumped up in there and caught it.
Get the pliers here.
I think I did that.
Boy, these new hooks we put on here, boy, they're doing the job. There we go. Yeah. What do you think about that one, Logan? And you were just playing around when you caught that one, just going back and forth, and he got it. All right. Good job, buddy.
So, turns out that's not useless after all.
That's right.
Thing I didn't. I'm gonna have it on.
Yeah. So you want to just leave that on now?
Yeah.
I think that was the biggest one so far.
Out of all the videos?
Yep. Oh, got him right here. Oh. Oh my goodness. He bit it right here at the boat and I missed it. Oh my goodness. Well, here we go again. Let's try it again. Oh, got him.
That one?
Oh. Dang it.
But you're gonna want to fix your rod. Thank you.
Okay guys, that's gonna wrap this trip up. It didn't go as well as we was hoping. We was gonna wear them out with top water. I think, Logan, how many did you catch on that whopper plopper? 2 or 3?
I think 2 because I caught none on one.
Okay, so he's caught 2 in the new Berkeley top water. I caught 1 on it and missed 1 or 2 on a frog, and caught 1 on, I believe, my wacky rig. So we would stay a little bit longer, but little man here's got school tomorrow and I got work, and it's almost 7 o'clock now, so we're gonna load up and get the week started.
And never fish for 10 hours because it hurts your leg when you stand up all the time.
That little man's tired. But like always, guys, we appreciate you for watching these videos. And like I said at the beginning, if you like this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe. And hopefully gonna get on some good fish here soon. And until next time, guys, get outside and enjoy the great outdoors and take a kid fishing. Take care.